Anyway, we got this set up over here for the Halloween. I guess it's the Halloween pet parade. Okay. All right. And there they go. Pet pictures. The Athens Park. There's the Athens police mowing down anybody who may be in the way of the parade.
After school club, or is it during?
Yeah, I tried getting that cop I tried to explain to that cop that I'm a celebrity. I'm probably the best known YouTuber here in Athens, but he wouldn't give me a ride in the car. I was going to sit on the roof and wave to people. He wouldn't let me in. He said, "Sorry, sir. No." It's Otis Otis weighs 209. That's pounds. Okay, we're here at the Athens Pet Parade, October 13th, about 3 in the afternoon. They're staging for the parade here.
He's a very good
Anyway, we're getting ready to march through town. Oh, look at that guy. Isn't he cute? Little hot dog. He's a little hot dog. Aren't they adorable? Mainly dogs. I guess it's mainly dogs. I don't see too many cats in the parade. I guess cats are kind of their own special thing. They're not going to march in the parade, but a dog would do that. Look at this guy. Isn't he cute? Hi there. I wish I missed Tank. Anyway, so this is the staging area for the parade. They're getting ready for the big event. Ooh, look at this guy. Ooh, look at that. There's a baseball fan. That's some crazy guys here. Oh, here we go. Now, here's where the parade's going to take off. Okay.
All right, let's start. Boulevard rocks and rolls.
Okay, here we go. I guess they're starting the parade. We're here right at the starting zone. Here, look at this. That's pretty cool, man. Oh, pretty cool. Here they come. Best overall. Okay, I guess they had some competition. All right, so we're continuing our coverage of the parade here on the Camo Dave channel, or actually the Dave Hughes channel. Aren't they cute? If your dog isn't in the parade, a lot of people just brought their dogs along to watch the parade. So there's a lot of dogs on the sidelines. It's really adorable. Look at these guys, aren't they? Hello. Hello. Okay, so it's quite a big parade now. They've got it all. We were up at the staging area just a few minutes ago. Oh, wow. You got some pits there. There's some pits. Hi. Some pits. Don't you love the pits? I love the pits. They're the sweetest looks. Look at this guy. Look at that. I love these big dogs. There's the school bus. Oh, aren't they adorable? Look at this guy. What's he, a turtle? Sheldon, huh? Some people really do get dressed up for this, don't they? Okay, there's another pit mix. Oh, isn't he adorable? Yeah, camo rolls. There's a Barky. It's funny how some, look at that guy. Hi there. It's funny how some of the dogs really get all yippy and others are nice and quiet. Yeah, look at her. She's a princess. Aren't they adorable? I would love to adopt them all. Wow. Quite a lot of pitties in here. I see a lot of pit. I see a lot of pit and a lot of SH. Well, I don't see any of that yet. Look at the bulldog. Chili. These are devil dogs.
It looks big.
Oh gosh, look at these guys. They're rainbow dog. A rainbow dog. Two guys in like bunny suits. Two big guys in bunny suits. Oh, isn't that sweet? I like the rainbow dog. Okay. We got the dancing dog here. They're gonna play some music. I better not get the copyright police after me. And the purple flares. Oh, there's some guys eating something, huh? Oh, we got some dog biscuits. Oh, right.
On brand.
We got a pan flute here. Look at this.
As it goes along, never said.
They're bringing up the rear of the parade there, and I think we're done. That was actually not a very gigantic parade, but it was kind of cool. We do have some canine. It's a dog parade, right? I was under the strange assumption that maybe some cats would be in it. I don't see them. I don't know, man. All right, thank you for joining me here at the Athens Pet Parade here. Barkfest, October 13th, 2019. Right here in beautiful downtown Athens. This is called the Boulevard. At least the main road we were on there. It's one of the main avenues through town. And a lot of fancy houses on it. Very trendy area, yeah. Anyway, that was cool. That was fun. I liked it. All right, folks, they had a little staging area for some entertainment here earlier. Registration and everything, and the parade was relatively short. Kind of zipped right through there, but it was very nice. All right, folks, thanks for watching. Vlog. Ooh, ooh.